Welcome to your new home. So glad you were able to come out today. This is an excellent 2-bedroom, 2-bath in Beverly Hills, Florida. It's a very quiet part of the Beverly Hills community. We are on a cul-de-sac, and as you'll see when we go out back, there's a ton of privacy in this house. So great floor plan. We've got the dining room, we've got a nice living room area, a nice front family room, and to the right hallway we do have a coat closet off the foyer. We also have 2 really good sized bedrooms. Here's the guest bathroom with tub shower combo, a good sized linen closet, lots of storage in this house, you'll notice. This is bedroom number 1. These are double pane windows. This closet here is a walk-in closet, so it's extra deep, tons of space there to store all of your belongings. Notice we have the laminate floors, so easy maintenance. This is a nice large master bedroom, a walk-in closet here. And a great updated master bathroom with a walk-in shower. Love the updates to this bathroom. So we'll continue on back through the living area of the home. Take a glimpse at the kitchen there. We'll walk through there in just a moment. This back room, extra space, I would probably consider it a den, where you can have your TV set up and still have your formal sitting area for guests. And then the back porch here, this is a nice screened porch, lots of covered area to work with. So you have your dining table out here if you'd like. You could put a hot tub out here. And then we walk out to the yard. And you'll notice the space that we have back here. So this is over half an acre, 0.52, and it is very quiet, very peaceful. The big hedges are going to be your property line, but behind the hedges, you'll notice that there is just wide open land. So we've got a little buffer of woods, but then behind that is just wide open land. So this is very, very private, and that's very unique for this particular area of Beverly Hills. Go back inside and we will take a look at the kitchen. The roof on this house was redone in 2005. Looks to be very well maintained. We have sprinkler system out here for the yard, for your landscaping. The HVAC was replaced in 2009. Nice sized kitchen. The kitchen also has the eat-in area. So you've got the informal dining and the formal dining that you can have for different needs that you may have. But really good space. Nice large laundry room. All of the appliances, washer and dryer, everything stays with this house. And in the garage, we have a true 2-car garage. If you notice, there's extra space on either side of the garage door. The air handler is tucked behind that door there, and we've got some extra cabinetry and a side door to go back outside. So a really awesome property. This is not going to be on the market long. If you're looking for a house like this in this area, this is a great option. And it can even come furnished at the right price. So if you want a Florida vacation property and you want to just bring your suitcases, this one would do it for you. So Ruth Squires, your realtor on demand with Keller Williams Realty, RES Luxury Group, white glove service, red carpet treatment. It's all in the name. We're not the same. Give me a call, 352-794-1426.